Hello and welcome. Today we will be playing Livin On A Prayer by Bon Jovi. Grab your ukulele, make sure that it's tuned. Hit the like button so that we can get started. We will need 3 chords for this. We will need E minor. And look up real quick because this is how I'm going to be switching from E minor to C. Did you see that? So my index finger is staying on the 2nd fret. And C always comes after an E minor on the song. So there's a quick little memory tip. And the next chord that we'll be using is D chord. So I'm playing that with the middle ring and pinky on fret 2, 2, 2. But of course you can use a different fingering for that if you have one that you prefer. Alright, let's get started with the song. On the intro we're going to be doing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then 1 bar of C, 1 bar of D, and back to E minor. Now what I mean by 1 bar, it's one of the strumming patterns, the down, down, up, down, up. So give me 1 bar of C, 1 of D, and back to E minor. And that's it. So this is the pattern that we'll be using for the verse. Let me look at my notes real quick. Okay, so we have E minor for 4 bars, C for 1, D for 1, and then E minor for 2. So let's try that sequence. 1, 2, 1, 2, E minor, 4 bars, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, C chord, D chord, E minor. So this happens at the verse. We just do that little pattern twice, and that's the entire verse. So let's add some lyrics. Here we go. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Tommy's still working the dogs. You demonstrate. He's down on his luck. It's tough. So tough. That's right. Next. And then you're running away. Working for him now. She brings home the pay for love. So that's it. That's the verse. The pattern just repeats for that. So let's go to the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is a little different. Okay. So for the pre-chorus, we're starting on C, then going to D, then E minor. C, D, E minor. We're going to repeat this 3 times. Okay. So the strumming pattern here changes a little bit. So I'm going to have it on the screen. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up. That's the same. And then the next part is down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay. So now the chord changes are happening on the strumming pattern. So we're going to do down, down on C, and then on the up we're switching to D. So let's try that, just that part. Down, down, up, down, up. Again, 1, 2, C to D. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, again, go. 3 more times, go. 2 more times, go. 1 more time, go. Okay. Now let's do the second half of that pattern that was down, down, up. We're still on the D chord, and then we're going to switch to E minor on the next down, down, up. Let me put it all together because it just sounds, it makes more sense. I make more sense when it's all put together. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Let me sing it. Hold on, rewind me down. Doesn't make a difference for many or not. We've got each other. That's all for love. And we're gonna end that with a C chord, the same pattern that we just did, but we'll give it a shot. Is all down strums on D chord. So let's play through that pre-chorus and follow my lead. You got this. We're starting on C. 1, 2, time just because it's fun. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Hold on to what we thought. Difference if we're ready or not. Got each other, that's a lot for now. We'll give it a shot. Okay, ready? Now, for the chorus. Okay, so I put down all my notes because it's just way easier to memorize this song if you just think about it by the strumming pattern. Okay, so the chorus we have E minor, C, and then D. So the E minor and the C split one of the strumming patterns or a bar, and then D gets a full bar. So we're switching to C on the up. Okay, so that's down, down, up. On that up, you should be on that C already. That's where like that pivot is going to be really handy. We're halfway there. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, go. We're halfway there. Now, you could add or replace the E minor with a G the second time we play this. So the first time it could be with the E minor, and next time with a G. And then go back like you're doing E minor, then G, E minor, then G. Let's try that. Let's try alternating the starting chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do it one more time for me because I messed it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, again, and and then go back to E minor. Okay, so just for fun, let's play pre-chorus to the chorus. Lost my page. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Just want to refresh myself. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. Hold on. What we thought. Can't difference if you're ready or not. Got each other. That's all I for now. I'll give it a shot. Go back to verse 1, 2, ready, go. By the way, throughout this video, I've been playing the Nova ukulele by Enya. This is a really popular ukulele that is well under $100, and it comes with a case, a matching strap, and extra strings and a capo. I will link it down below. This is a really bargain of a deal ukulele. It is also waterproof, and then if you decide to get the upgraded version, it does have effects. So you have some options with this ukulele. Okay, so that concludes this video. It's a really easy song to memorize. It's kind of fun that it does not have a lot of chords on it, and the strumming pattern is really easy. So if you do any covers of this, please share them on our Ukulele Facebook group, or if you share them on Instagram, make sure and tag me or use the hashtag Plazzy made me do it. Plazzy is my nickname. I would love to see you playing this. Alrighty, well, thank you for hanging out with me, and I will catch you on the next one. Make sure and subscribe, please. I want to see you come back. Alright, sayonara.